and the rough. Early lead is taken by Best of Biscuit by the rail. And Count Meris is on the outside. On the farther outside, Baby Jade. And Sweet Kid moving up in port. Cabazona by the rail. And moving up on the outside is Quattro Supra. And heading for the backstretch, it's Count Medicis by the rail. It's Count Medicis in the lead, followed by Baby Jade is second. And Best of Biscuit running in third on the outside. Entry number 4, that is Sweet Kid. And Quattro Supra. And Cabazona. And nearing the far turn, Count Medicis followed by Baby Jade moving up by the rail. And Sweet Kid moving up on the outside. Entry number 1, Best of Biscuit and Quattro Supra. And rounding the far turn, Baby Jade in the lead. And moving up on the outside, Best of Biscuit and Sweet Kid moving up on the farther outside. It is now Sweet Kid in the lead, followed by Best of Biscuit by the rail. Quattro Supra moving up on the farther outside. And by the rail is Baby Jade. The last bend for home is Sweet Kid in the lead, followed by Quattro Supra on the outside. And at the top of the stretch is Sweet Kid in the lead, followed by Quattro Supra on the outside, and Best of Biscuit by the rail. But it's still Sweet Kid in the lead, Quattro Supra moving up on the outside. It's Sweet Kid, Quattro Supra on the outside, and Sweet Kid. And nearing the payoff line is still Sweet Kid in the lead, followed by Quattro Supra on the outside. And finally, it's Sweet Kid, Quattro Supra, Best of Biscuit, Cabazona, Count Medicis, Baby Jade.
Yan. Pakuha ng unahan yung numero 4, Sweet Kid, Quattro Supra sa labas, malakas. Medyo bumuka ng konti itong numero 4, Sweet Kid, no? Pero diretso sila dito sa rekta. Kumakapit yung 5 sa labas, pumalo ng kanan. Pili lumabas ng konti yung 4, yung 5. Eventually, we'll see who won in this race, okay?